It's your girl Mad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time reseller, and I pick up things at garage sales, thrift stores, mainly the Goodwill outlet bins, and I sell them online on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari for profit. This is how I sell most of my goods and make my money. I'm so excited to show you what I found today because I spent $47 in this morning's garage sale, which I don't usually garage sale. It's like once a month maybe because it's really hot here in South Florida, and if you're not out and garage selling by 7:30, you are sweating bullets all day. So I stopped at 2 garage sale this morning and I spent 47 bucks. It was about $1 a piece for everything. As I go through this video, I'll show you some of the comps on how much you can make or how much I'm going to make on each of these items, hopefully as they sell, or things that I'm finding on eBay. I did not comp my way through this garage sale like I usually do at the Goodwill bins because A, it was hot, and B, I just really wanted to buy my shit and get out of there. At $1 a piece, I'm okay giving the shirts to my mom. I'm okay if some of these have stains, and I'm okay selling these for a lower profit than usual because it was literally $1. Okay. Let's get into this. If you're into thrift hauls, you're going to want to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell because I post these on the regular. I also post videos about things that you could do at home with things that you probably already have or crafts that you might want to try. Just hit the bell, subscribe. Let's go. It was actually my friend's garage sale, and he reached out to me. It was about 20 minutes from my house, and texted me at 7:30 this morning and told me that it was going, people were already sitting there waiting. The early birds had already arrived, and I did not know what I was actually going to score. Now, there were 3 different couples that were selling different things, and they all are resellers. They were literally giving out deals. We're going to start off with Thrasher hoodie. I don't even know, this is probably like $15 or $20. Pittsburgh Steelers. This is an extra large vintage. Yes, it has stains, but it is from 1995, so I need to look up this brand. It's called Maddox, and it's an extra large. It feels really nice. It's like a windbreaker, and the back says competition. Oh, Compton Surf Club. Does Compton even have a surf club? People surf in Compton. Just a Ford Championship weekend. I have a friend who buys bundled tees, but sometimes I'm just like, whatever. It's just a t-shirt. Dallas Cowboys. This stuff always sells. Football season is not here yet, but it'll be coming. This is a Rolling Loud t-shirt. This is some vintage t-shirt from 1995. Yes, it's a little stained, but it feels really nice. Picked up this Bob Marley Zion t-shirt. I don't know. No more trouble. Trisha Yearwood. This shirt also felt really nice. This is a really soft Guns N' Roses tee. This is just a reprint, but it feels so nice. Nirvana. These always sell. I think I'll keep this one. Jimi Hendrix. Feels nice. He said he gave me this one for free, but technically I paid for it. Grateful Dead. It has some pit stains, but I might just cut that and sell it as a muscle tee. I do that sometimes. Ariana Grande. I guess they tag these, but there's literally a pinhole. Let's talk about this. Look, can you see this little asshole? Why are we doing this? It needs to go in the seam if you tag your clothes. Drop in the comments if you know what these are, because I really didn't know, but my friend Matt was hosting this garage sale, and I'm like, Matt, what are these? He had an antique store and a little shop, and he actually closed it recently. Drop in the comments what you think these are. I'm pretty excited. I don't know. I'm hoping I'll get at least $30 for this. I paid $1. And these are actually warming trivets. So they're like little hot plates, vintage hot plates. The design is adorable. Kind of want to keep these for myself. I don't host people, but I thought they were cool. Vintage Disney, Winnie the Pooh, Walt Disney World. Once again, extra larges also always sell. I found a lot of Disney. They were selling a lot of Disney stuff. So Toy Story t-shirt. This is just a really soft shirt. It says Pioneering, Pie Hole. Little Mermaid t-shirt. He said that was for free. And then there were some Jägermeister t-shirts. I just picked them up. I'll probably sell these 2 in a bundle. I also have a friend who buys graphic tees for me, and he's always looking for bigger sizes. So I kind of try to pick up and collect like that. Most of this is still hats coming in. I picked up some really cool vinyls, like about, I want to say in January, my mom, Kendra, and I went garage sailing in this community one, and I picked up like a early 2000s record player that's attached with like a stereo. It's usually on for my bird. You can hear in the background the whole time. She wants to be a part of my thrift haul. But we decided to pick up some records, and there weren't any cool records when we bought our thing at any of the garage sales, and I haven't really been looking. But he was selling some, and I basically got all of these for $1. The Doobie Brothers and my high ass bought the same one. But the front of this one's messed up, so I think I'm just going to put the two vinyls in the same. Stereo Smith. This is Herb Albert's Tijuana Brass. I just thought this was so cool. This cover, I have another one that looks, I don't know, something like the artwork is so cool. What year is this from? You think about it, you're like, dang, they were making things like this that long ago. Taste of Honey. This was cool. It's like a play from the Miami Dolphins. Play thing. Like, how fucking interesting. Don Shula was the coach then. And Cheech and Chong. We be Cheechin' and Chongin'. Anyway. Bud Light coolers. I sell coolers really well. If you ever find Trader Joe's bags, coolers, those are another thing that sell. Walt Disney World coolers. This actually has speakers and it's Bud Light, so it's got a little mark on the front. I'll take $10 for that. This is probably one of my favorite finds of the day, were these Teva sandals. I found this actually at the second garage sale, and these were only $1. $1. I was happy about that. This is brand new with tags. It was a $20 originally. It's just like a Skylanders case. This is a pair of jeans from the other garage sale, Express. They're just basic jeans. They are a size 2, but who cares? Excuse me, recording a video. It is Saturday morning, and they have been doing construction next door. I live in a villa for literally over 3 weeks. They do it until like 11 o'clock. I have to be like that Karen that's like, excuse me, I need to get some rest, even though I'm not sleeping at 11 o'clock. But I'm definitely that person that's like, can't be doing this. When did I turn into that girl? I bought jorts today. Like, are jorts still a thing? I don't know. They were Levi's, so I figured I'd buy them. They're size 36. It's so habit of me to just button them. Yes, some of these are worn. I don't care if I get $10 because another pair. Jorts. The guy actually thought it was funny I was buying these, but I don't care. Hang tight. I'm going to go through all the hats that I bought, and then my very last two items are probably my biggest score. My friend actually sold these to me for $1 a piece, and I'm really excited about these. If you've been watching any of my other thrift hauls, this is something that I actually sell really well. They flip pretty quickly, hats. You can get a $10 to $15 profit on majority of the hats, and they take you like maybe 3 to 5 minutes to list, if that. A ton of hats. So I want to show you what I got. It's just Sanair. It's just like a basic hat. I don't effing know. Some of them I just grabbed, okay? My friend was like, I'll give you a deal. This is a Budweiser hat. It says Brittany. I don't know. WE, is that Washington? I don't know. I just thought it was a cool patchwork on the front. Walt Disney World hat. Pretty sure this is kids, but that's okay. Miami Dolphins hat. Vintage logo. Disney Lollipop. This is Disney Parks, and I got a lot of Disney hats in this one. Miami Marlins. Snapback. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Disney. You hear me? I can do the make. Oh, boy. Disney hats. More Disney hats. This is like a vintage Southgate golf course from Utah. If you've never been to Utah, you got to go. Beautiful hiking. I love it there. New York Yankees. Some of these really have lost their shape, and I do not shape hats, but I will write that it needs its shape in the listing. This is a Dragway from Cayuga. Thought it was a cool hat. Vintage Reebok visor. Need to loosen it, huh? My friend's store, he's so cute. He puts all these cute little tags on his store. So. Starter, just a vintage starter hat. And then more Disney, but this is a denim hat. Super cute. Okie dokie. My two favorite things, besides the Teva sandals, of course. We found, well, actually, these were hanging, and then he's like, Maddie, and by the way, Matt, and there's like a small select few people that call me Maddie. And I'm always like, you know, the small people, the few people that call me Maddie, it's fine because I think like they really are like have been around for a long time. I just never corrected, but I go by Mad. If you know me and you love me, my nickname is really Mad, and the people who call me Maddie, they have a very soft, special place in my heart. So can't fucking change that, right? All right, he actually told me he was saving these for me. Like, why the hell didn't you put them on the side? But I got 2 Kipling bags. So this first one, just like a cute little fanny pack. It is adorable. Red and beige. I could put this up as like a Buckeyes or whatever, Buckeyes, Ohio, whatever. If you do your listings with like a lot of like university colors or big sports colors, probably could sell them a little bit faster because people are looking for things like this for games. Love Kipling. And then this bag is also Kipling. It even has the monkey. Like, I don't know. He saved these for me. Spent $47 on this. What was your favorite thing? Tell me below. I think I'm most excited about some of these records just because I really am excited to use my record player. I don't have any records that are good. I literally have like, I don't even know, like some 60s shit. So I'm stoked about this. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for chilling with me during this garage sale haul. And I'm looking to see how much I can actually get all this. Maybe I can get it all listed by the end of the week. And then I'll get another bins haul up. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell, do all the things. Peace out. It's your girl Mad.